Hi friends, welcome to Spoken English class. Today we will look at some more questions and answers. Listen to the following sentences a few times and use them in your conversations. നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് പത്രമാണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്? Which newspaper do you read? Which newspaper do you read? ഞാൻ ഇന്ത്യൻ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ആണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്. I read the Indian Express. I read the Indian Express. അയാൾ ഏത് പത്രമാണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്? Which newspaper does he read? Which newspaper does he read? അയാൾ ടൈംസ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യയാണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്. He reads the Times of India. He reads the Times of India. അവൾ ഏത് പത്രമാണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്? Which newspaper does she read? Which newspaper does she read? അവൾ ഇന്ത്യൻ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ആണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്. She reads the Indian Express. She reads the Indian Express. Which newspaper does your elder brother read? Which newspaper does your elder brother read? Which newspaper does your younger brother read? Which newspaper does your younger brother read? My elder brother reads the Indian Express. My elder brother reads the Indian Express. My younger brother reads Madhrubhumi. My younger brother reads Madhrubhumi. നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് മാഗസിൻസ് ആണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്? Which magazines do you read? Which magazines do you read? ഞാൻ ഇന്ത്യ ടുഡേയും ഫ്രണ്ട് ലൈനുമാണ് വായിക്കാറുള്ളത്. I read India Today and Friendline. I read India Today and Friendline. നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് പത്രമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ വായിക്കുന്നത്? Which newspaper are you reading? Which newspaper are you reading? അവൻ ഏത് മാഗസിനാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ വായിക്കുന്നത്? Which magazine is he reading? Which magazine is he reading? ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഹിന്ദു ആണ് വായിക്കുന്നത്. I am reading the Hindu. I am reading the Hindu. അവൻ ഇന്ത്യ ടുഡേ ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ വായിക്കുന്നത്. He is reading India Today. He is reading India Today. Which newspaper is your younger brother reading? Which newspaper is your younger brother reading? My younger brother is reading the Times of India. My younger brother is reading the Times of India. എൻ്റെ അനിയൻ ടൈംസ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യയാണ് വായിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഏതൊക്കെ കളികളാണ് കളിക്കാറുള്ളത്? Which games do you play? Which games do you play? ഞാൻ ക്രിക്കറ്റും ഫുട്ബോളും ചെസ്സും കളിക്കാറുണ്ട്. I play cricket, football and chess. I play cricket, football and chess. അവൾ ഏതൊക്കെ കളികളാണ് കളിക്കാറുള്ളത്? Which games does she play? Which games does she play? അവൾ ക്രിക്കറ്റും ചെസ്സുമാണ് കളിക്കാറുള്ളത്. She plays cricket and chess. She plays cricket and chess. Which games does your elder sister play? Which games does your elder sister play? നിന്റെ ചേച്ചി ഏതൊക്കെ കളികളാണ് കളിക്കാറുള്ളത്? Which games does your younger sister play? Which games does your younger sister play? നിന്റെ അനിയത്തി ഏത് കളികളൊക്കെയാണ് കളിക്കാറുള്ളത്? My elder sister plays chess. My elder sister plays chess. My younger sister plays cricket. My younger sister plays cricket. നീ ഇന്നലെ കളിച്ചുവോ? Did you play yesterday? Did you play yesterday? ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ കളിച്ചു. I played yesterday. I played yesterday. ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ കളിച്ചില്ല. I didn't play yesterday. I didn't play yesterday. നീ ഏത് ഗെയിമാണ് കളിച്ചത്? Which game did you play? Which game did you play? ഞാൻ ക്രിക്കറ്റ് കളിച്ചു. I played cricket. I played cricket. നീ ഏത് ഗെയിമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ കളിക്കുന്നത്? Which game are you playing? Which game are you playing? ഞാൻ ചെസ്സാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ കളിക്കുന്നത്. I am playing chess. I am playing chess. ഞങ്ങൾ ഹൈഡ് ആൻഡ് സീക്ക് ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ കളിക്കുന്നത്. We are playing hide and seek. We are playing hide and seek. Which game is your friend playing? Which game is your friend playing? My friend is playing chess. My friend is playing chess. My friends are playing cricket. My friends are playing cricket. My brother is playing football. My brother is playing football. My brothers are playing cricket. My brothers are playing cricket. നീ ഏത് പ്രോഗ്രാമാണ് ഇന്നലെ കണ്ടത്? Which program did you watch yesterday? Which program did you watch yesterday? ഞാൻ ന്യൂസ് അറ്റ് 10 എന്ന പ്രോഗ്രാമാണ് കണ്ടത്. I watched the program News at 10. I watched the program News at 10. നിങ്ങൾ ഏതൊക്കെ സീരിയൽസ് ആണ് കാണാറുള്ളത്? Which serials do you watch? Which serials do you watch? ഞാൻ സീരിയൽസ് കാണാറില്ല. I don't watch serials. I don't watch serials. Which serials does your friend watch? Which serials does your friend watch? Which serials do your friends watch? Which serials do your friends watch? My friend watches Patharamattu. My friends watch a few serials. അവൻ ഏത് പ്രോഗ്രാമാണ് കാണുന്നത്? Which program is he watching? Which program is he watching? അവൻ ഒരു സീരിയലാണ് കാണുന്നത്. He is watching a serial. He is watching a serial. നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് ഓഫീസിലാണ് ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നത്? In which office do you work? In which office do you work? Or where do you work? Where do you work? ഞാൻ കാനറ ബാങ്കിലാണ് ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നത്. I work in Canara Bank. I work in Canara Bank. രാജു ഏത് ഓഫീസിലാണ് ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നത്? In which office does Raju work? In which office does Raju work? രാജു SBIയിലാണ് ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Raju works in SBI. Raju works in SBI. In which office does your elder sister work? In which office does your elder sister work? My elder sister works in the railways. My elder sister works in the railways. My elder sister works in the railways. In which office does your friend work? In which office does your friend work? My friend works in JP Company. My friend works in JP Company. In which office does your elder brother work? In which office does your elder brother work? My elder brother works in KPM Company. My elder brother works in KPM Company. My friends work in BSNL. My friends work in BSNL. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more similar videos, please visit my YouTube channel. Thank you.